Hi friends, welcome back to Chris Trading Academy channel. So today, as said yesterday, we are gonna discuss about Yesbank. Okay, so it will be very fast today. So I just want to drag it further. Okay, let me get into the Yesbank share. I mean chart. Okay, so as of now, as said yesterday, if you see the levels, right? Yesterday we were discussing about here, right? I told you about the levels. What I told you, I mean 74, I guess. These are the two levels, right? I told yesterday. I said once these two levels taken, then only you will see the upside. Okay, so if you gone through today's chart, this is 60 minutes chart. So there was a gap up today morning. Okay, let me go to the 5 minutes chart. I just placed 200-day moving average there. So there is a small gap up, right? So the price opened here at 64.75 and it made a high of 67.50 today. Okay, today's high, that is. And later on we got some news saying that Yesbank sold some again the pledge shares, and it was continuously sold. As I got updated from the money control, I mean CNBC channel, I gone through that. Okay, so continuous selling started and it made a low. Means open was here. If you see here, right, open was here, made a high, and there was no respect here. I mean to say there was no support, and it made a low. If you go through my yesterday's video, I clearly said, right, I clearly told okay, see here, this is where you can clearly observe that whatever the downtrend is just started actually as of now. Okay, so according to my latest update, that Yesbank is going to start the fundraising. Okay, so they are targeting something like $1.2 billion by end of this December, as stated by Yesbank. Okay, and they want to increase it to $3 billion as well from the family house, from North America family house, as said by the Yesbank. And they are going to meet, Yesbank is going to meet on this Friday, this week's Friday. There will be a board meeting, and it will be headed by the CEO run with Gil, and so they will be having a lot of discussions over how to raise the fund and how to target the 1.2 billion. And so now if you see this trend, if you see this trend, if this sustains, okay, if this sustains, you know what's gonna happen. The technical analysts, I mean to say, who are the traders who are trading on Yesbank each and every day, they know what will happen. If there is a breakout on the upside, means again we're gonna see the next resistance, that is 75 first initially. So we all know where is 75, okay, here, right? This is the 75 resistance. This is where the resistance is, strong resistance as of now. So once hit came down, again it hit also. Here also one more time this was broken, but it was not sustained here. Now again the price hit the same resistance, and again it is the whatever the pullback is coming as of now. So whether this pullback will go further down or will it sustain and again jump backside, probably by end of this week itself will come to know. Because see, till this level there is no problem. Yesterday also I gave the levels, I guess, okay, some 55 to 58. So this is where it has to sustain and it has to come back. So I would suggest everyone to just hold on for time being and not to go for any aggressive investment on this particular Yesbank stock, okay. And for intraday purpose, if you see the 15 minutes chart, also you can understand how the stock has gone upside today morning and again it has taken completely. See this bar, red bar, huge bar, okay. So tomorrow if the stock opens, okay, if the stock opens above 64, then only one can, according to your risk appetite and your analysis, you take whatever you want, okay. What I am telling is only above 64 it will sustain, okay. So according to me, as of now, tomorrow also sellers will hold, actually the bears will hold. But if the fundraising concept comes in to the news very strongly from the board, and if the media pops it up and the analyst comes into place and keep on telling how the Yesbank gonna raise the fund and how the stock will get benefited from that, and how the Yesbank operations will get benefited from that, and how Yesbank will sustain and will regroup again. So based upon that also, once the positive news comes into the picture, means then first of all the operators will hold and take a new direction, okay. So initial movement tomorrow morning is very important for traders, but for investors as of now it's not a good time to invest on this stock. So I'll keep updating, and tomorrow also I'll be updating on the same, okay. Thank you.